one more crown, one more election. Because the shock of the 2024 elections, no, in free woman. Into no one to me focus it. Into says, I'm almost nothing. Now, almost share no more building or more party. Bryan Sukutebi.
Yeah,
Bryan the Gaga, call schools in the Gaga into who are the end. And that's a dear Benton or ye say, you almost come back in Tokaniadi. Let me say my okay come up, maybe Tissa Bryan co schools are near Yamma. About a few cranners or bow cran and no yaw do fear na yim show. I know yarn as wash and a year back casting we are fun. And Chay told the masses when send your Kai, Excellency Mahamadu the way or ye no bear mine, yes, sir. Obian hold the and Chiniguni guy, but ye cannot crane. So that going forward, no one can so big because any good crowd doctor here or come create me. Yanko pound on until an accomante. One day, be me share video be the we are no did your mind at him. Na I am a homity. On my head, bear my brandy say, the way we did not them. So, yes, there be a Sampana American. Me friend Niagara, me can.
What German reef?
There be me kai, sending your profile. Now about Bryan.
Yes.
Hey, Minia Bryan.
I bet if
you alone mass sika di obi. Na then no common crofo sika. Politics yen yes. Impanyimfo bebre boa wo mo region.
Yes.
Otiaze. Impanyimfo bebre minim so obi ti say education minister. Oyebi. Oboa ne soro ho. But on meka mo obi nti. Aye den ye kote say wo boa Eastern region for MPs. Otiaze ne ko fan sem bebre ma menua Akwasi Akwakora ho asembem. We ne friend nti means say ho no lack strategy.
Sir.
Yes, because we are coded. We are now DC. Now we are person we bibi boawa. Na the way you suicide but we make bonting. Tell me prove stubborn crampa politics a profit and loss. Ulu subi no again be. It is a binum crap person me stubborn no mark or Bawumia said that is okay. But Bawumia should be gain be 33 constituencies. Into what boama party. It shouldn't become an issue. A honor strategy ni ho. Nessa I acquire as a say assembly bagana say ya nesse ye kana bufu abebo bonkrofo din. Let's say one na strategy amem. Number 2. Ade ba me krada me ko defend no but wanye ni ye. Se wo munya power.
Send your cano or more abem.
And say no ano no. It means that thing no krada nature say democracy no.
Onye nisa.
Unya Jews unya made na wo be yenti a unya mu. It is say the pass all the country shan in sa. A problem. Because on one kasa no. Wonye democracy ni. Because obi biara ni wo gi democracy dia. Obeba ba be kasa unya mu. Let's just say no akwakofa negative kra na aba. Se wo san hwe ayawa so weso wogon. Ni din ka ho. Nipe prayo. Nipe pray. Uchuchu abodwe se kwa uba agenda. Nipe pray. Insembe bre ba ho. Ote de me chireno. Obi wo ho a wono so wo mpa hwe. Ye bala badi beach o se la pam. O so peso oto. Eje se no kun ye wi a na che se de.
No car so peso.
Ho na car so. Na nya ne dia na company ho dia ye dia.
Separate legal personal.
Me say because me pachonya company law as we kwaje permission ko no ane company a Rock City ho dia na da so.
Yeah, but the owner and the company is separate.
And then fa ho ono na ne de sika na ko ho abotom. Ti hiva no nya sika odi hwe Eastern region. For say business or you nko wi obi sika. A separate legal company on paper. But in reality they say ne dia. Otemase. Inti no. Say government aban workers sika wo. Also obeto. Na say workers sika wo mu no ani nyem si eja country ma wa the next thing a diversity cha. Otiaze. Say wo to ayi gefre ni sen Ghana ejapade. Diversity cha. Because as a member of parliament, I will be joining workers. Ade workers' interest. We say we need to see no cra. Adenti na only management, only government. Na central almost say me will blueprint me the bemamu because of workers.
Yes, na almost say hotels need a strategic investor.
And yeah, no
strategic partner.
Baby as a hotel is see. Here strategic partner management. Yes, a hotel the location cry is good enough. Identity and a partner ye no the own juma. The partner is doing well. The other one, the Benon, Labadi, yes. The party which is why is this one no more was shown our facilities no 1 year well. A management issue, a governance issue. So instead of taking it over, no, why don't you help them? With the same structures I were used to their builder there was why home pono, even though a far away for bahon. Why don't you use same but you rather want to annex it? Divest it and just ye jay croy mawa be cobon a government company be cobon instead of buan over divest it. There's a business mind first before Ghana. Now not yourself first before the nation. Now my presidency no I ask them for from. Thought him I say, so we be I say ya. As I say with me a day, I say with me a she. So Kwaku fast at the end bar. Now Kwaku be beat said they won't win a Ghana for him. Because I wish us our hotel near Ghana for hotel snit. Among 4 sika womb. Anything the Waka Kennedy Agyapong, Waka Bryan a champion. You say me back Academy, third one.
Number 3 on the ballot.
There be one or 3 now.
3 na kanaka Bawumia aka
Asame ba no de man kon na ton last.
Aka educhum Bawumia ena Kwabena Agyapong.
Aha say educhum ni ba ayi na ye last.
Yeah, any Kwabena Agyapong.
Say on ntoko ekoso amongst them na nyefe.
Among why na why?
Bawumia any ayi bigwigs.
Any Kennedy Agyapong.
Any ayi omo de afa so. We so ye liar we say. We see me ho fe we see me ho nyefe. At this stage, NPP, we don't need this. It is total chaos. And as he said, there's no leadership in the party. Who said me bra penny can loss? They say loss a tremor should be ashing. Because in Cancrophone himself lost no honor when you know coso. Say no peace party or mocasa soon in faso. Oh, I didn't know the baba. Show a year name, bigwigs and him. As if it's going to see a Forson answer no war sign. Bigwigs and Muna Kennedy were Muna when you're happy because when him say yes, sign peace party, we are some basis. Oh, see, some basis into when you're happy. But you see, trading of West at this time are problematic. It's a more crown, more coalition. Because the shock of the 2024 elections, no, in free woman. Into no one to me focus it. Into say uncle more tenacity, now more share no more build or more party. Now, Maka said this year, dear, by 2028, you bet fill the parliamentarians, and fill the presidential. Because then ye pa dear, fat. Kobe Bia, but no way this thing is going anywhere.
Lose support.
There's some knocking. Because they say no Ghana form, they say we are saying okay, Okruma. They say be an enemy who can be as say a date no cry need no hobby number plate no. They say petrol come from into no comfort me top petrol.
Top petrol cry, you say go and was some uncles call on watch it. Top petrol, watch. Oh, mamma near my baby, no top petrol. Me, I make us a me car 200 cedis now, failing car get way, Named petrol 200. I'm a car, no shot. I'm a matchbox, no. Now, and I'm a denam. Only 200. I mean 200 cedis. Me car get to a boy, car get to a boy, me denam. And I'm denam crew. What am I say? Petrol a coffin. And I say me call crew, me call shot the medium pass them. Yes, yes, mall, be China mall. I will a hono. Your friend was saying. Accra Mall Junction also. Okay. Me call you Kojo Kyeremanteng mu shopping. I'm say, hey, is this January?
For January the nkrofo nyiska. Why ye man nkrofo ye shopping omo kata ye ma.
China Mall.
China Mall aba papa aba. His Excellency Mahama. This is a Juma Excellency Mahama ye. As I say, Krayama no Kwame Nkrumah award. Ye koka ebinom si ye cancer ma ye de hwa no me no kranda hwa na maka me de anya so de meka. Yaman Kwame Nkrumah award for development in Africa.
Why na the man?
Your friend is a Newsweek.
Oh, okay.
There be West Africa, or one year West Africa magazine. Yes. Oh, na me opa me hwehwe abro na ma send dia ma. O mama no Kwame Nkrumah leadership award. Otima so me very credible. Ma ankasa na san ma me they gave me an award for your friend is a female political activist of the year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's 2023.
Hey.
Yes.
And Akufo Addo no achieve you.
And where your customers Akufo Addo. Oh, what you say? Intino. Yeah, we be show you. Intino. Send a name crocophobia. This trading of West, I didn't think it should be necessary.
Okay.
Because especially adults in Mema. Semut any mpacho omunim obabia wokuru ehwo na omunya ntrase no ompo obabi mfa de ne ma no.
Na trading of words na between fine and fine.
Se Bawumia ne
na Bawumia what words be.
There be so on onka bi ko obi aka bi ne nkrofo so ka.
Okay.
Otimase ono aka se mie na no a ne nkrofo ka na se wokokokosa wo ye leader wokokokosa wona nkrofo kasa.
Yes.
Nkoma mu bedi na be embody mu leader nkrofo ma be kasa because leader de won kasa. Politics mu kokokoso ma asem na ba ne kokokoso ni akoye discussion. Ye free ho asem a yen ye be ka wo ho no ase wo te kokoso nu ma wo hwe leader no body language. So an kasakra ne body language kire wo say asem we me ko kan wo ye happy. Inti sadie we between the two yi na enye. Ya Bawumia so.
Yes.
Bawumia there from very beginning. Bawumia establishes say we on the okuta doctorate papa.
PhD no.
A PhD say yeah economics.
Oh yeah,
But you PhD. You said C trade say one friends say G Fredo say why. G tech munkani. Japo bia madam for bra panyi me chia we ne. Was your master miss me penazin. So onko kan ho asem.
But me dey correct one.
You put a PhD.
Papa.
The PhD no.
Bryan so the any papa.
Bryan so kutabi.
Yeah,
Bryan the gaga kwa akọ school so ne gaga nti hu ade no. And that's the event no ye say you mo kwaba ntokwa ne ade. Let me say my okeka me te say Bryan akọ school sa na ye mwanwa. Ko su go jira platform ye nyam da enye fe.
What can we into?
Me kan bi ma me fa nko referral, if be referral, ti me call back. Say Bawumia dokuta PhD. Ade oye ya na ye ni so o lusu ye no jam we ne defo. Yes, forever ne de me de be ma no. Because e bia wa anya nka chaos beba.
The party for us had no ye no so ama omulusu seat bi bebre.
No we for see the ato aba we de be seat bi. O de asem no mo kan. Ade na wo ye ye nda the time I work as any results ni nyina aba nti lose seat be no mu lose woman and any problem the people are in denial. They should start accepting where the problem came from and start dealing with it. Then about Bawumia I be or can say concession they be more lose seat because at that time they ato abawi all constituencies were in with a few of a kakrebi. Inti then now cause or no ye na ma lose so wa anya de wa mo ho modern arrogance of power na na ekum and wa nyere ho anya adwuma because who nim say wo ways and means ultimate de win election and amfa the clock did not tick, so why do you come and blame him? The point is that Bawumia school ko but then so or failure than him 38%.
38%.
When you saying
41.7%.
And it is a difference in and but you know, so we are marking a fee.
Difference election, the difference.
And yet, let's assembly.
You go by Gazette. 41.7.
But so go 38 between 0 to 41 years.
Nana,
oh, people say
41.7.
People say there. So go school. Yeah, 31, 41. F. It is a failure and than any. Is it person who's watching license and
license for the
Yesu ye bass ya ye kan ye bass kese Ghana nye ketwa enye voxy oti azie ye VIP anase state transport na mama menka say car no ye VIP anase state transport nti be say me hu say waje professional driver's license and that's what you meet.
A good question.
Yes, because on me man ko chene no mo on one cars where you meet. And as we stand up as was have gina bio no. Waje professional driver's license timika VIP any STC ana. Okay. So to me akwaje professional license then to me hu say they say a gina has a professional driver. I will bet me a carry country and now that's you meet or you meet dia no aye den. Wati
ompe baby
kakrantra ne track record so enkoyi enu ne kan koka say oye den onka nokore because o kan say no aka ni say o kan say de bia o asem foforo a wo ka ken nokora me se wo didi atem nya me nkwa na makasa aponche ni dansuom no ba bebe ka kire o se danchem abie nanum se ogitu na na adunua na wo ya ata na ye frɛ ne say no ye minister no
Ofori Atta.
Debbie.
Amwakwata.
Achia. Ni Atta.
Atta.
Yes.
Okay.
Na tie judge.
Okay.
They no be kind. Was the penyimu did the attempt there you problem. Nyame nam kan you. So they say. Inti obi a record o mo ankrofo na aka na me to so. Inti Bawumia no ne track record it sen. Edie benti no fu se so san ba bio. Edie no peso ogina so san de ba. Because the track record enye de bia o yo se na nanado amo anya adwuma se na nanado se wo ba no ba be fa was economist no aboa no. Nanado na nka se ono onye economist. Into oba be fa economist no aboa no. Nti akoye den economist ye ntimi amoa because ye ti Ghana ha ni enim da. Say ye CD to dollar betimi akofo medu 10. So oscillate between 10 and 12 kwan ni enim. Imre bi na ye 17. Whatever means it is being used. A economic model da ho. Adenti no mo so wan use bi amayen. Inti Bawumia no onim.
So omo use na eteba 14 omo di jama no. And no na ma hye mo kenan.
One hye mo kenan.
Gold for reserve.
Me cut before the time I know mo kono mo kunya wie.
Omo kono.
Before mo bakoi.
Now 14.
And the person now was saying Asante drew 14.
At a point they could do 17.
And na make that time no ma wie yen. Na wo be kwa ansa na wo ye papa. When was all be kontu so si e beto atia. Ansa na wo ye papa. What did they mean today? Aha. Intino. One kasa ne track record show we a leader. Nessa wo see o president ma wo nya adwuma. Either you say it publicly and ma ye bema. Yes, or you leave. Because at the end of the day, it's all ambition to come and hurt you. Because they say, Uba catches and anado amoa nye juma, someone anado kanu abont. It's different from what you were telling us. That even made you can't say we a mate. That has come to hurt you. So me today, I am asking him so I get professional driver's license. Say Anna, I ben nebu na mana kaka. Very well that obetimi navigate potholes. He said the excellency Mahama navigate potholes. For the excellency Mahama this time round I get professional license and over. Inti pothole be a da hobi otimi navigating and ye gina ye petrol off from ye inflation off from ye CD off from. Inti no obi a ho asem.
Nipa num ni nyina.
Me ba se wa mama afọ. Inti se me ena ne esi we yira ye say omunyi anu mfrim enya ma no kuma se kura matese esi om de Bawumia yere placard na eko. So omonhwe. How? Samira onyira paper so. Ena abaye ekoto meti se abaye aye ekwa akotu. Eye delegates na ekoto. Enye Ghana. Into the placards ko kuma se na aye den. Aye den na de placard. Yes on be confused. Womo kona womo hu Bawumia Samira nim na Bawumia din na da ho na chese fala mistake aba. Because they say Bawumia billboard na de kona de koye campaign. Ti me de me kan say mienu na akam educhum
Kwabena Agyapong
womo ne se womo consider womo
mienu ni mu baako
yes imu baako especially ene Kwabena Agyapong
nyimu baako
because womo de uchu sidan se mbeto Kwabena Agyapong ha the way okasa ya obie ninimu NPP fo atane ni womo fa nanase womo fa enye word ne ma enye danase but there's a word ma they should use it to exonerate him minim se na emesi American appease him said the omo de tane ni omo de ye no ne ayi Paula Foku no omo fa appease no the next person any educhum asemi ba ye wo ye ne campaign onko kan obi asem so ye tintin so ye tieti asa won kan no kore se wo de wotin ba bi no wo ye ne campaign this one personality because me catch us when for you obi aweni a party ne good ada ba ye mpese Ghana ba ye one party state na fu se nka mi CPP fu ebetimi asore na maybe nka we nu gu because omo na hihye akire na omo gu CPP no NPP for the NDC for NPP for otemase we wo hokra no obi ka so obo aso koye nkroma de osenfa nkroma di nto so eno ya for another story inti no se we no ekwa na se 2 year because after we no Ghana ye nya so says we need peace to develop this nation. Okay. Where we are going, we need peace. Inti me there when obi wo yes so me dey me obi wo mo ho asem they are fine but me there menti bibia yes ye basa didi atem ne sa anema didi atem de nye especially my didi atem
mate na so odidi atem no obetima ye adwuma na say
na de bia so na didi atem unu yiri tifie no boa ne de bi osori so ye kwase ambe oni baje oba no boa wa toka ma wasi dan ma utim udidi fine so pie ya no de ajew uye bibia no oye obi wani baje okwa abusuafo anim kra na oka chese we mi na mhwe no we oni na oni baje ukunu de nka akata na deja so na obi ade bia no kasa de se be difficult ti ye ma ye wo kura bibi kakra bia na nka ye president no otwa boye ye den
na me da se
de di kan party yi mo nhihye ye mo ene National Executive Committee atena se ahihye steering committee multi elections committee womo ehwese primaries ebetime akoso at the end of this month gradually as a breno aswanesa but ma yenim komwe baby a party no enhihye abedru sese any aspirant prese womo betimi etu franka edi amamu party you know as a former party leader and still a party leader no more satisfied about the akoso so far.
Oh, why not? No, why not? Initially, I'm presidential first. And so, I'm constituency, regional, national. Now, me, marginal, I am personal. But I thought there was a decision taken by the national executive. And you know, we are bound by that decision. Now, with passage of time, now we say, my idea, because share tension, no, and the abattoir, no man, and the level of acrimony, and bitterness, and you know, I don't know fire, not any party. Some starting from constituency and
say almost share reorganization no I say from constituency to say the name na anka enye papa.
Yeah, enye papa.
Na na say the same reason in saying.
No, but look at the presidential now in solve bitter. Look, I am telling you, I've been with this party since 1990. Wameti party 1992 August, let me a practicing lawyer. Now the whole pro and a half for no time Kwabuya club when I'm a secretary. The youth secretary. So minimum quadratic, my original chairman, my deputy general secretary. I mean, now should be Obia Nitro, Kasaba. Thank you. No. Now, campaign is so far, so good. Just that, for the first time, when said NPP, 1 year presidential, some candidates, and I want to talk for. One more custom, perhaps it's directed against Nipa Bako people. Where you find out that Nipa Bako no there and Kasa, and okay, Nipa Bako, where Nipa Bidum so there and Kasa and Taki Ibinum, but they go on to raise issues and policy. Maybe for the first time, 92, 96, 98, 2008, 2012, 2014. At that time, I maybe with the social media, but no, that's the truth of them. Now, what from, but some of the comments are palatable. I mean, what is being canceled? Now, the man is a liar. He's a liar. But people offer the one is a liar. And it turns out that I'm going to put the kind. Like it can't even a kind. I mean, it's quite unacceptable. It's quite unacceptable. When you are vying for positions, you're not private way, now we're free, now we're free. Now we come, now we come. And now we are saying, now we are brand new, we are married. No, so I'm not comfortable with the comments by some of your flow. Honestly, I'm not starting to be saying it's only a mad person who will be defending NPP because of what President Mahamadu has done. How is it possible? It's a mad person who defends NPP. And all these are the characters who benefited a lot from the NPP. But what I say, human society, sociologists and psychologists, because you say, you have deviant, but I believe sincerely after this election, MPP, that's why MPP.
Nana, before we quiet, no. I mean, ye dream when I hear this uncommon, no consensus, no, and it's party nation say ye money acquire party na faso anwin in the tradition, no. Sa niema wo ya abefra framu say no, if he in a buy. Yeah. Is it the case a weak leadership of the party because Nkrofo make it certain all trances are and palatable to say they wakana no penny, yet we don't see say people are being punished for sadie mana happening na enti rather no a same Nkrofo nkuna say womobetimi akoso ayesa at the time our party headquarters no sadie ma we na sia I mean Kwabena party ni leadership no efa so handle na ene yenhu ne sabie mu.
That is never correct. I mean, you need to be fair. Yes. National executives no mo anya 100%. But no, they are also treading cautiously. So people can say flag bearer be a liar or a liar. Na your flag bearer na ya. Over there working like a so punish and define. Because we'll be able to say,
you agree with me, sir? Even before the flag bearers, they are walking, any all trances a few of I mean, there are several instances, and Nkrofo attack party na nkasa. For instance, one kasa wofasi abronye ninsembia wakika to the party leadership, to the general secretary some time back, and Nkrofo said general secretary kasa no issued statement. How do you call it? Election way young contested. People defy the orders of the general secretary. Yet general secretary no entimi and put punitive measures biano in place. And Nkrofo free says Sanya America ho and the growing indiscipline to somewhat. I mean, happen our party.
No, I beg to differ. 2025, 2026 is different from the time 2022. Remember that. 2. Each occasion, each period would write its own history.
Okay.
Each occasion, each period would write its own history. So you should also know that. 3, Bawumia Campaign, me have on several times warned him, advised him, say, look, once I'm now cannot be playing, you are all can't be a city.
Okay.
Now, you are on top of issues. You have the facts. But at the beginning, mempe. Several times, I've advised him.
Okay.
But Okana or court. And that's what I'm saying. I mean, look what I'm saying. And that's what I'm saying. Can be in fact, be wrong, and then you don't cry. You need to be tried. Official presidential said, or Kasa, you do like. Now, Bryan and may do like at the time I Bryan no you or not Bryan Wakra, and so any proper one. So, relax. Remember now, I am saying that Omoto presidential will be a Bambu NPP pass.
A binum free party him.
Oh yes.
Oh, I see.
Now, yeah. Now, Oko can't send me a young Kenyan fata. Extra Obia. Now, your corner, oh, candidate in Enya. Who can say when you have them and vigor? At me, I could contest position being the NPP. Maybe stop.
Hmm.
Now, can say, and I said, oh, yeah, you know, sign. I'm talking. Some peace party.
Yes, and no name basso and no pay free and no pay.
And come my football mission. There is no need for them to sign any pact.
There is no need for any peace pact. Wabra Munina more calling for unity of the party.
Never mind. What? I don't be too good. You think that people are so that be Tamaka binum Kafa binum can be mammy be papa can be ready be new kunasa can be in be a japad young one. Now I got an hotel just for the camera or say young cousin some peace pack. And you are saying so one cousin sign most in some peace pack. Come on, please. Me one in here. One of the flag bearers are coming to Minko cousin sign. Peace, dear, as sign them a peace, peace,
yes, but how then will you ask for unity after say party na kwa abatu oswewe? Because I believe say politics here more the numbers and a politics again. You may disagree to agree at a certain point.
Look at the comments people are saying. Look, imagine, sir. It is a more common answer. Kennedy Agyapong. You think that Bawumia will have the edge to stay in the NPP to go and campaign? Yes, me. And Uncle Munya Maninka. And I bet Omukonas or Bawumia Campaign. Abua Papa will go on and have the edge. Please. Munya would the service contract in America. The no money person quality. The one body no no a gum a moja. A gum a moja no gum and so young some peace pack. Now you're 2 years. Nice of Kajanya. And some other kind. And someone will be sure. What
it means is that even the peace negotiations, any unity a year. I mean, negotiations because so even after 31st January, no, a very difficult. Say party debate to me, I come to that conclusion because a very payback time from some of the camps.
No, but you are dealing with him. And what is me? One more in America said you'll be after
that. Be.
But I started this Bawumia since 2022. So what that is? And I am so Bawumia, but what is America said to me? Money about Patrick campaign. For me, for the sure it to be fair to suggest that Monfa Patrick come on, my money and campaign. It to be fair, for that people. Because for once, when we have primaries in one, a bit more of a free by the acts of omission and commission. And they're telling me that the Kotrabaya want to campaign team, not from what the Omer had the campaign team to campaign for Bawumia. It will be so madness to bring this idea on board.
I see. Then what it means is that more party man and more free party muyo.
More party no better.
So when you know NPP for as a former party executive, when him say when you know party for a proper bar and near my way be ever happen. One kasa na waka no pay. Period bia no the onwane tradition and your onwane records ana eba enti I mean e kwan amobefa so amobesiesie sa niema we bi no very important, but there will kind of positions here woman are there the pefe there. What it means is that a lot of the people no will exit the party after 31st January.
Okay,
so what it means is that a lot of the party people no on the other side, ebe exit party, after 31st January.
Okay,
maybe I say that I'm menka. Yes, me say, na me name say after 31st January, party more come who boom, na more year juma towards the NDC as more opponent. But there will any positions in the man there. What it means is that naturally, Nkrofo die out. People will exit the party after 31st January, and that will not augur well for the party. I'm person will have a united front for 2028.
Once again, let's be with due respect. Let's behave like normal human persons making this discussion. Why? Yeah, your party position about your corporate. Oh, be so. Where a man pushing me to say, and the Jaya Fulani, the Jaya Fulani to say, Fulani in your gun and me, away you say, oh, now I got promise in a year, you are so no one and Sammy come up. Now your campaign, that will be sheer madness of the highest order. That will be sheer madness of the highest order. Tell me everybody know that because we are planning we are careful and mindful of my comments. It's media every other thing the Miaka campaign home abrasovia. But I'll be catching up so be your Fulani creating the impression for Fulani in any part. Now say you got promise then if I come when ya was a communication team for the campaign and I did you can't say Fulani in young family member what way. Doesn't make sense. Where I wish I was in one. I don't know. You are dealing with human beings. You are not dealing with angels. You are dealing with human beings. In every political party, every group, every society, you need to inject discipline. Oh, my from station 1 hour to know. So be to an okaso, your manager, or your patia, or your Jimini, or your Fulani, or your Nipa. Then you are telling me at the end of it, you come up. I haven't crown Lucifer to Brache, Yankopa Mampanan Fio. Yankopa Pampama, Lucifer and Free Heaven. And there is a couple of phenomenon with every society. We pass your time on your maybe here. Nama to say, Yam Kikau, Robia, one woman show. Uba was on woman show now a pleasure. Naturally, a pleasure. The unwanted elements in the true you. And that is exactly so. And therefore, I'm saying that it is a good thing for the new party because they've been in comments, they've been in advances, they've been in conduct. Now, I'm going to 2 years, now leader no bar. By oppression of law, so I've been in that side system, and everybody will take backstage. He take a professor from Bawumia, also 2024 one to Abba, because of Bawumia. Now you are saying, sir, then question peace pact. As a better Bawumia, na Bawumia Corenia, committee the other channel, but from what war would tell me come across as a normal. And you are telling me, sir, I am what you will be at it. What are you be at it?
Now, what if said the other way round happens? Now a different candidate emerge victorious aside Dr. Bawumia and so on. What would be the scenario?
Candidate, attempt the Abronya, for instance. MPP Kotrabana, Kennedy Agyapong. Okay, Kennedy Agyapong, Facha Abronya.
But Abronya is also a regional chairman. Onono Kita a very solid position in the party. Or what a lot of influence in regional.
Listen. By saying that I'm determining who will be the constituency chairman and who will be a regional chairman. I don't mean NPP. Could I do them cast our Moko ND for now? NDC from Power Macho. Again, that's my NDC one more than Nanko Bunko to Japan. I could have like, oh, young and I back home. We know Maninka. Gabianka, we need to NDC crack. You know, about you just forge ahead. The thing the free. The fewer the merrier. And somebody says that yeah, the numbers. Now heaven crowd, who said the numbers. Or probably for heaven. Well, I guess I'm being emotional this morning. I'm being honest, sincere, and forthright. I'm being honest, sincere, and forthright. How about what about Bawumia Campaign, which is minimum castle and the Fulani, will be say Bawumia and Shaya, Yabaka Safar, or say, more do it. Some flower, more common position. Please stop this and let me don't go with due respect. I mean, for Pen Coco. Because you're more kind of, this is your party. And characteristics of the party, the Apiana party, and or more compromise. And a man for because NPA the actor. Na ye tu for no be amfa. Na ye tu for no be amfa. Now I'm on the corner of my common primary area. O say, mon concern peace pact to area. Into area o go for na toshi. And I am member of Bawumia Campaign team. Never yana. I don't know more give this more NDC no there. E say mo na mo certificate be ma MPP for na say follow. How? When you have NDC for Amwakoyen Kavitella of the rest campaigning for Kennedy Agyapong. Now say Wamokoye no Kennedy Agyapong Konwenia. Now say a Bawumia no Munya di Amaninka. How? I mean that with due respect, it doesn't make sense. And that no the problem is it. What the problem is that is their party. And the echo. No my and 31st year. Obi could have packed in your market. Obi Tim Kokasa, it is only a mad person who campaign for MP. Now MPP for primary. Now on the candidate I'm winning. Number Miyako winning. But you Monkoya Abua Director of Communication. I mean, how do you consider the MPP as a platform? And I'm more NDC for one night and one certain person in my MPP for Anna. You don't need to set the place for the MPP. We should respect each other. MPP should respect NDC. NDC should respect MPP. NDC members should respect MPP. MPP members should respect NDC. So those of you in the NDC cannot be setting the stage, setting the pace, setting the process, organizing the process. MPP for life in among people.
But in your firm resolute, no, what do you believe? Sir. After 31st January, no, Dr. Bawumia Ebedin Kunim was our primary, you know.
Oh, yes, I want a bit of trouble. I want a bit of trouble.
And from our airborne on Crawford, Kennedy in the Bewin. Kennedy Agyapong the Bewin. There are polls, Ababa.
Please. I am a responsible politician, hard-working politician. Sincere politician. That is why even in the NDC, among four hold me in high esteem. NDC, they hold me in high esteem. They know I'm a very principled and honest person. It's in Pembe Breno, the cancer say Nebesia. The BBI to me called okay, dear. To be able to 1992, Men can say we never flag bearer and marshal since 1992. 1992 I said it. 96 accredited. 98 accredited. I mean, so for me, once accredited, I feel my way, but we are never flag bearer. You'll be the flag bearer. First time in Sri Lanka. And in Kadabasa, but no, it may look like I'm emotionally charged this morning. Yes, because I also have an opportunity to vent out my emotions and my sentiments.
Okay.
So I am nice. Someone, Monka, and so okay, open your band when they are obedient to me at the same. Bawumia, okay, didn't come.
Very well.
But you can say there's a need for them to sign a peace pact. Me say, considering the acrimonious campaign they have waged, me obri boy me can who be there and ka peace pact me come in sign.
Actually, I no pay if we were to advise Dr. Bawumia, ubetune for say mama inside.
So no, only na koko na botare no. Onye emotionally charged the Sammy and but no, I mean, you're going to be emotionally charged like that. You're going to be emotionally charged. But I'm being very honest. But I don't know the, on our campaign, what is what I said to you. On the same TV. But I can't be one once a while, so maybe backward at here will be me or Bribania. Once a while.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.